Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to explain Odoo 18's e-commerce that includes support for click and collect, multi-warehouse, and real-time in-store stock levels directly on product pages. For that, you have to activate inventory, sales, and website module. After activating those modules, go to general settings. Here, go to sales module and search for delivery methods. Here, this delivery method options must has to be enabled. After this, you have to go to websites. In this website, you have to search for click and collect. Here inside delivery section, you have to enable this click and collect option. After that, in same module, search for payment providers. Here in quotations and order, you have to enable this online payment option. And inside this, go to payment providers. Here in payment providers, make sure to publish this demo method and set your state to the test mode. After that, going back to settings and go to inventory. Here in inventory settings, you have to go for warehouse. Here, under warehouse section, enable this storage locations and multi-step routes. After enabling this, go to inventory module. Here, navigate to operations and inside operations, go to physical inventory. Here you can create your new inventory or you can use your existing only. Okay. After that, go back to website module. Here in website module, go to shop and search for your product. Here I am searching for office chair black. Here you are getting to see the availability of store and the product level. Here you can get to see that this warehouse has out of stock products and here the stock should be 7 for the product. So after selecting this warehouse, you can choose this location and you can add this to your cart. Here if I'm adding my product and check out, you can choose your delivery method. Currently I'm selecting pickup in store and you can confirm. After confirming, choose a payment method and pay now. After payment, you getting that your payment has been successfully processed. Now, let's see the product stock again. Again, going to shop and search for office black chair. Here, here you are going to see the updated stock. Only 5 stock available in this warehouse. Hence, this is the new functionality of this Odoo e-commerce. Thank you. That's it for this video.